Did you know that the right exercises can not only keep you fit after 40, but also make you feel younger, stronger, and full of energy, even in your 50s and 60s? Today, I'm revealing the only 5 exercises you absolutely need to stay in peak shape and avoid injuries as you age. Stick with me because these simple moves can transform your life, no matter your age. Exercise. Number 1. Body weight squats. Body weight squats are an incredible full-body exercise that strengthens your legs, glutes, and core while improving your balance and mobility. By mastering proper form, keeping your chest up, knees aligned with your toes, and lowering your hips as if sitting on a chair, you'll prevent injuries and enhance joint stability. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps to build strength and endurance without any equipment. Squats not only make everyday activities like climbing stairs easier, but also help burn calories and improve posture. This foundational move keeps you agile and strong, no matter your age. Exercise number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a powerful bodyweight exercise that builds upper body strength, tones your chest, shoulders, and triceps, and strengthens your core for better stability. Beginners can start with wall or knee push-ups, gradually progressing to standard push-ups as strength improves. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, focusing on controlled movements to maximize results. This exercise not only enhances muscle tone, but also improves posture and boosts functional strength for daily activities like lifting and pushing. Exercise number 3, plank holds. Plank holds are one of the best exercises for building a strong core, which is crucial for preventing back pain, enhancing posture, and improving overall stability. Start with holding a plank for 20 seconds and gradually increase to a minute as your endurance builds. This simple yet effective move strengthens your abs, shoulders, and lower back, providing a solid foundation for all physical activities. Exercise number 4, walking. Walking is a low-impact, full-body exercise that strengthens your legs, improves cardiovascular health, and enhances balance and coordination. A daily 20 to 30-minute brisk walk boosts your mood, burns calories, and supports joint mobility, making it a practical and accessible activity for all ages. This simple movement mimics everyday actions, keeping you active, energized, and ready for life's demands. Exercise number 5, lunges. Lunges are a dynamic lower body exercise that strengthens your legs, glutes, and core while improving balance and flexibility. Perform them by stepping forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees form 90-degree angles, and alternating legs for 10 reps per side. This functional movement enhances stability, supports joint health, and boosts strength for everyday activities like walking and climbing stairs. And there you have it. The only 5 exercises you need to stay fit, strong, and healthy as you age. Remember, it's never too late to start. These exercises are simple, effective, and perfect for building a routine that works for you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which exercise you're trying first. Let's age gracefully, one move at a time.